Welcome to the channel. This is Food and Life with JT. Today I'll be making breakfast for two, so stick with me and tell me if you would eat this breakfast. I'm making egg and bread, scrambled egg and bread for one person, and for the other person I am doing tuna and bread along with some banana bread that I made recently. At this stage, I am adding the black pepper, then I will add salt, then I will combine each ingredients into the egg, or all of the ingredients with the egg. Then I'll put the pot on the stove, add some oil and allow it to hot before I start to scramble the egg. Please tell me where you're watching from. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for your support. At this point, I am scrambling the eggs. This is the way you scramble eggs. You can also drop it in the comment, or you can tell me how you scramble it so I can also learn from you. You know, when some people scramble eggs, they add water or they will add milk. Tell me, what do you add? Tell me if you use oil or you use butter or margarine. After finish scrambling, I will add 2 slices of bread. Scrambling eggs is a very easy task and it doesn't take long, maybe a minute or so. When I'm finished serving this breakfast, I will move on to the next breakfast. Remember, in the beginning of the video, I told you I'll be making scrambled eggs and tuna and bread. So don't leave, stay tuned, and you can also tell me the ingredients you use in your tuna and how you prepare your tuna. Don't go nowhere. Now I will start making the tuna and bread. First I will chop my tomatoes, wash and cut my tomatoes. I will slice them. Next I will take the slices of bread that I need. I need 3 slices of bread for this one. After which I will butter each slice of bread on both sides. I will try to spread the butter lightly because we all know by this that a lot of grease is not good for us, but sometimes we want what we want. The hearts want what it wants. Guys, do you see those pumpkin? Do you see those homegrown pumpkin from my garden? They're weighing like 25-26 pounds. Some 23.5. They are actually big and beautiful. These are the ingredients that I add to my tuna. I add mayonnaise, vinegar, black pepper, chopped onions, and crushed pepper seed. Now I've put the pot on the stove because I'm not going to use no machine to toast these bread. I'm doing it the old way like my mommy used to do. Yes, no toaster, okay? So I understand everybody loves their bread toast differently. Some like it like the toast, medium toast, and heavy toast. Well, I like it medium to heavy. That way it is crunchy. When you bite into it, it's just crunchy. When toasting your bread, please put your flame on low heat if you're gonna do it this way. If you're not gonna use a toaster that can be gauged, okay? Use slow heat, low heat, okay? Now the toast just the way I like it, and I'm gonna move on to making the sandwich at this point. I will take a slice of the bread and layer it with lettuce. After adding the lettuce, I will add my tuna, and bear in mind I just pull the can and use the tuna, drain the water, add the vinegar, and use the tuna. I didn't warm it, I didn't do anything to it like that. I'm eating it just as it is from the can. As stated before, I layer the bread with lettuce, then add tuna, then add tomatoes, then a little piece more lettuce, then some more tuna, and then I layer the bread on top. Then I proceed to make the single slice, and this is how I make it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thank you. I will wash this down with some soursop leaf tea, soursop and ginger leaf tea, that is.